what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we have another panty unboxing or unwrapping, and this is from the brand Splendies, and I have actually done two videos with this unboxing before, so it's technically not a box, it's a package, but it's such a cool thing. So Splendies, if you don't know already, it's a company that sends panties to your doorstep. So every month you get 3 pair of panties for only $14 a month, and they're sent right to you through the mail, which that's like a steal, like 3 panties for $14. Plus you can use the code Splendies for $4 off your first order, so that's like $3.33 for a pair of panties. So like, why would you not do it? But today I'm gonna be showing you what's in my Valentine's February themed panty package, and again I did kind of sneak into it because I was so excited when they came in the mail. I will link all the information down below to go check out Splendies and to go check out their Instagram and then their website. So yeah, it's really exciting. I love doing these videos because it's like a surprise, like even though I peeked in these when I first got them. So yeah, I'm just very excited because now I'll get to start wearing them. But so yeah, they come every month in like this super cute little packaging, so that is enough to get you excited when you see that in your mailbox. And then they also come wrapped in like tissue paper with a little sticker, and so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and unbox. And they also say to kind of size up in their panties. If you're like normally a medium, like I'm normally a medium, so I sized up to a large just so they would fit a little bit more comfortably. But some of these panties, I do realize that they probably would fit me fine with just a regular medium. But they do go from small to 3X, I believe, so that's really, really awesome too. So anybody can wear these. But the panties this month, y'all, they're so, so cute. Like, I'm not joking, they are so cute. So first of all, we'll just start. I'm so excited. Okay, so these are hearts, and they're so cute. So these are like a little, they're like cottony feel, but they have lace, and these are like a little thong. So these are like the comfortable kind of panties that are just like very like everyday kind of. I would wear these like under leggings or under really anything, but they're also like, they're super happy and cute, and yeah, I just think they're super adorable. Y'all know pink is like my favorite color besides gold, so yeah, these are definitely a win. I'm obsessed. So, ooh, these are cute. Okay, I forgot about these. These are adorable. So these are like Paris themed. They have little Eiffel Towers all over them, and yeah, these are actually just adorable. And then they have little heart trees and little wording, but in the back, I love these. I love like where it has like the lace back, but that kind of like goes out like a regular normal panty, you know, so it covers like everything. So these are very, very, very cute. These are probably my favorite little box that I've gotten from them so far. I'm obsessed with these. So yeah, these are going to be super cozy, and yeah, I'm just like super obsessed. And the last one, these are going to be very comfy. I would honestly sleep in these. So these are just a bright red little cotton panty, and they have a little lace on the front, so the whole front is like lace, but then the back covers. So it's kind of like the opposite of what I just showed you with the Paris panties. So yeah, these are adorable, and then they have all the little detail, just kind of like adds everything to it, and it's kind of like a flowery lace. So yeah, I think these are just super duper cute. And like, again, like all of these are like cute panties, but they're also like panties you can wear every single day, and so I love them. I'm excited. But thank you so much, Splendies, for sending me these. I really, really like genuinely love these panties. They're so, so cute. And so yeah, it's super easy to sign up, and literally for $14 a month you get like this sent to you. So it's very, very exciting. Plus $4 off your first month with the code Splendies. So again, I'm going to link all that below, and you can go check out their Instagram. They have a really, really cute Instagram. So yeah, and they're out of Santa Monica, California. I'm trying to think of any other details I need to tell you guys. But yeah, so I'm excited. I hope you're excited. I hope you want to go check them out. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one, and have a great day wherever you are, and I can't wait to see you again in my next video. So bye for now. Mwah. Hey guys, okay, I hope you enjoyed my video. I want to first of all apologize for how I look right now. This is like genuine me right here. I've had a busy morning, and if you can't tell, well, I guess you can't tell what time it is. It is 12:09 Let's see if it'll focus. 12:09, contest just ended. I've had a busy morning, and then I decided to go to the gym, and so that's why I'm all like red-faced and everything. But I'm here to announce the contest winner for my giveaway, for my VS Pink giveaway. So I just want to say I had over 300 people enter that giveaway, and if you don't know, I have done giveaways on here like every month. It feels like about every month, and I'm just getting started. I haven't even been on YouTube a year, so if you don't win this giveaway, it's totally okay, I promise, because I'm already have a box of stuff that's getting ready for the next giveaway, because I kind of want to just like incorporate more little giveaways like here and there, and then also keep doing the big ones just to like say thank you for watching my videos, because honestly I've been doing YouTube, well actually it's been 11 months now. Oh my goodness. It's like one more month and I'll be doing this a year. That's crazy. Wow. So yeah, over 140 videos later and almost a year later, it's kind of cool. So yeah, you know there's going to be another giveaway coming soon already for my like 1 year anniversary. So just go ahead and get ready for that. So yeah, we have over 2,000 subscribers on my little baby channel right now, and I'm just so thankful. And I hope y'all know, like, I'm not doing the giveaways to like get more subscribers. I'm doing them to say thank you to the people that actually watch my videos. And so yeah, and if you do, or if you're new to my channel, I really appreciate it, and I hope you decide to stick around because I have so many cool things planned for this year. And so I cannot wait to see where this is gonna like take us on this little journey. Oh my goodness, y'all, I'm so sorry. I just really looked at myself. I look so bad. I'm gonna go ahead and say who the giveaway winner is. And for this particular giveaway, for the VS Pink giveaway, the winner, her name is Jasmine, but her @ name is It's JB. It's ITSJAAYBA. B-I-H. Sorry, I cannot speak today. I just want to make sure I'm saying that right, but I looked her up. Her name's Jasmine, so let's be super happy for Jasmine. Thank you so much, Jasmine, for watching all my videos. I've been seeing you, girl. You are the best. Okay, let's all just congratulate her, be super happy, and like, let's just get excited for the next giveaway. And again, leave me down some comments, let me know what other kind of videos you want to see. I really did look at all the comments saying the suggestions for video ideas, and I really am like taking those to heart because I want to have really like a channel that fits like a wide variety of people. I'm going to keep on with the makeup, keep on with the vlogs, hauls, you know, the lifestyle kind of stuff. I want to dig deeper into the lifestyle this year. So yeah, we'll see where this goes. And so yeah, thank you so much, Jasmine, for entering, and thank you to everybody else, the 300 plus people that have entered. I'm so thankful, and I love this little YouTube family. This is so fun. It's just fun like having a little community. So yeah, I will see y'all Tuesday, I guess, in my next video. Yeah, so I guess that's all for now, and have a great day wherever you are, and stay blessed, and love you. Mwah. Bye.